4 points. All those questions are not related to the concern. Okay, Zarina.
Hello, thank you for calling Amazon customer services. This is Serena. What seems to be the problem? I want to upgrade my plan to the premium version. How can I do that? You reached the right person to solve the problem, and I'm very happy that you want to upgrade the plan to premium version. So, again, you want me to help you to upgrade your plan to premium version. So, can you tell me what application you want to upgrade? Amazon. Okay, so how many devices you have that you can use to upgrade this plan? I have
Ano yung assurance mo? Zarina.
you reached the right person.
Okay. So how many devices? What about the devices? Ulitin mo yung tanong mo yun.
How many devices how many devices you can use to upgrade to the plan?
Sorry, pero 5 points. It's too far. Okay, so though you hit all the on the checklist. So 5 points. Next is Jerome Salvahan.
I want to upgrade my plan to the premium version. How can I do that?
So, rest assured that you reached the right person to do this and resolve this problem for you. I'm here to help, and I assure you that I can help you. And I know that the standard version can be frustratingly used because of the pay one lock of the premium version. So again, you want to upgrade your plan to the premium. You want to know how to upgrade your plan to the premium version.
Yes.
So I want to ask, do you have any pen or pen or notebook inside it?
I do. I have it.
And do you want, and how do you want to pay? How do you want to pay, or what kind of payment method would you like to use?
Okay, 5 points. The first question is irrelevant, but the other one is. Okay, next. Jello. Baka yung concern. Yeah.
Did they need for calling vendors? I applied. Can I ask how can I get what can we do?
My internet keeps disconnecting every few minutes. Can you check if there's an outage in my area?
They called the right person. I'm really trying to understand the way. I'm going to try my best to solve your problem as soon as possible. So I'm sorry. I understand how frustrating it is that you have to keep disconnecting every few minutes. So, before I can correct me if I'm wrong, you have a problem with your internet connection that keeps disconnecting every 2 minutes. Because when I ask is your have you made your internet online?
No.
So can I ask when did this disconnecting every 2 minutes started happening?
Like 2 weeks ago.
Okay, actually 5 points. The when is still a close-ended question. Okay, that's we can pinpoint it to a specific time. So you asked two close-ended, but you hit everything. 5 points for you, Jen. Next. Setenta.
Hello, thank you for calling customer service. This is Anna. How may I help? My internet keeps disconnecting every few minutes. Can you check if there's an outage in my area? Okay, so I'm sorry help you with your concern. So let me repeat your concern now, just to be clear. Your internet keeps disconnecting every few minutes, and you want me to check if there's an outage in your area.
Yes.
So I will just ask a few questions. So have you checked if your other appliances are still working?
Yes.
Okay, so
Okay, too much dead air. Did you power this?
yes.
So, 5 points for you. A good question yan is if your other appliances still work. Ako or if that? Ay, bakit?
Good morning, this is Nelson. How can I assist you?
Hi, my internet keeps disconnecting every few minutes. Can you check if there's an outage in my area?
Don't worry, I'll do my best to resolve your concern and do it as fast as possible. I'm also, I also understand your frustration about your internet that keeps disconnecting every few minutes. So, just to make sure I got everything correctly, your internet keeps disconnecting every few minutes. So, did you check your modem if your data lights are all flickering?
Yes, it is flickering.
Can you tell me what happened before you notice your internet connection?
Okay, good. 6 points. Next. Monte. Del Monte. Alright. Sorry. Okay, go.
Good day to you. Welcome to Santa Mesa Raptors. This is Kiwas speaking. How may I help you today?
My internet keeps disconnecting every few minutes. Can you check if there's an outage in the area?
I feel very bad for the displeasure you're experiencing right now, but I assure you that I will help you along the way. So, let me get that correctly. Let me rephrase it. Your internet keeps disconnecting every few minutes, and you want to check if there's an outage in your area. Before we proceed, let me ask a few questions. First question, have you checked if your router plug is plugged in correctly or then?
Yes, it's plugged in.
Okay, let me, can you tell me your account number to get that, to check if there's an outage in your area?
My account number is 0000.
So, sige. What's your, unang,
Yung close-ended ko po is taktak na maayos yung router.
okay, then open-ended.
I asked her about the account number po.
That's both close. So 5 points. Okay, next. Maceta.
Thank you for contacting us. This is Lynn. How may I help you today? My internet keeps disconnecting every few minutes. Can you check if there's an outage in the area?
I deeply apologize for the inconvenience you've had, and don't worry, you reached the right person to assist you with your concern. But before helping you, I just need to confirm is that your internet keeps disconnecting every few minutes. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me if that just happened to your other devices as well?
Yes.
And can you tell me the exact location of your? Can you tell me your exact location right now for me to check this?
Okay, 5 points. Next. Ocampo. point. You only did opening spiel. Next, Marinduque. Napindot yung ano. Next. Go.
Thank you for calling customer service. My name is Matt. May I have your first and last name?
My name is Melanie.
Hello, Melanie. Good afternoon. May I know how can I assist you today?
My internet keeps disconnecting every few minutes. Can you check if there's an outage in my area?
Sure, I totally understand and I really do apologize for the inconvenience to talk to you. But no worries, since you got me on the line, I'll be the best agent to help you with this one. So, just to confirm, Melanie, you are calling because you have a question about your internet that keeps disconnecting every few minutes, and you would like to check if there's an outage in your area. Am I correct?
Yes.
Got it. Thank you so much for that one. So, to start, Melanie, may I just ask first if your fiber optic is connected to your modem?
Yes, it is.
Thank you so much for answering that. And may I also ask if what specific type of service provider are you subscribed to?
Okay, 5 points. Sorry. That's both close. Okay, next. Tapas. Gated.
Thank you for calling and David. How can I help you?
Hi, my internet keeps disconnecting every few minutes. Can you check if there's an outage in my area?
I understand you, ma'am. Don't worry, I will help you solve the problem. And I hear you, and I understand you for your frustration about the problem. So let me repeat. You want to check if there's an outage in your area because your internet keeps disconnecting every few minutes. Am I right?
Yes.
So did you try to restart your internet?
I did, but it keeps disconnecting.
So can you tell me your location so I can check your outage area?
Okay, 5 points. Gabby. Next. Joseph. All concerned.
Good day, this is Errol from customer service. How can I help you?
Hi, I just checked my bill and I think I was overcharged this month. Can you explain this extra fee?
I understand. Do not worry, you have called the right place. I will do my best in resolving this issue immediately. I am very sorry and I too would feel frustrated in this situation. Just to make sure I got everything clear, you want me to explain the extra fees you have received? You have received after checking your bill in thinking it was an overcharge for this month.
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes.
Have you paid within the monthly cutoff for this bill or on this month?
I did, but it was overcharged.
Can you tell me the specific amount you have paid for this month?
Okay, 5 points. Next. Arboleda.
Hello, thank you for calling. This is Assistant Central. How can I help you today?
Hi, I just checked my bill and I think I was overcharged this month. Can you explain this extra fee?
No worries, since I'm on the line, I can definitely help you. So, you want to check, you want me to check the bills because it was overcharged this month, is that correct?
Yes.
I understand. I'm sorry if your bill this month is overcharged. May I ask if when was the last time that you paid your bill?
It was around August.
Okay, so
Okay. Time's up. Sorry, what's your assurance? Okay. Did you paraphrase? Your empathy statement. What's your empathy statement?
I understand that.
Okay, so 5 points for you. Next! Dami niyo po guys. Sarap din naman yung mga feeling ngayon. Korean.
My name is Melanie Delampu. I just checked my bill and I think I was overcharged this month. Can you explain this extra please?
Have you underlined all everything can you ask me for the extra amount?
I was charged around 1,500. And I lost around 700.
Very sorry. Can you ask what is the purchase price? And so we can determine the possible reason. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that. So I just want to give you just as you were on the same page. We were asked extra additional for this month and we don't have any idea in purchase or when was it? When was it? Is that correct?
Yes.